Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So last week I made the deodorant, and now I want to show you how I make my perfume, my roll-on perfume. I don't use sprays, perfume, you know, Bath and Body Works, those things I don't use. I make my own, and this is what I make. And so I would like to teach you, show you what I do, and so that you can give it a try for yourself. You know, I remember a couple months ago I was in the Falmouth market in Jamaica, and the thing about this too is because I use my most favorite essential oil. If I'm feeling down, if I'm feeling tired, I just use it, and it just, you know, it just bring up my spirit. It just makes me smile and just makes everything better for me. So I was feeling tired in the market, and I decided to take it out of my little purse and put it on. And the person I was buying from, she said, "What's that? What's that smell?" You know, it smells so good, because the longer you have it putting down, the more it gets to marinate, the more it gets to come together. And also because of how you're going to bill it, and because of the flavors and everything, the way you do it will make it really nice, and people will ask you. I've had requests for the recipe and such forth, so I thought, let me do this. So here we go. This is one that I make already, and what I want to say I name it my love perfume. So it is just so nice. I don't want to go in how much I love this, and it's in a roll-on bottle. So again, you can get these on Amazon, and it's better to get them in a dark bottle when you go on Amazon, because it lasts longer, and the sun won't penetrate it and steal away the goodness from the bottle. Okay, so make it in time, leave it to marinate, put it in a dark bottle. Okay, so what I do now, you need to have a carrier oil. So your carrier oil could be olive oil, or jojoba oil, or almond oil, you know, any one of those light oils that are just, that doesn't have any real smell, but really good oils. Okay, no cooking oil or nothing like that. But I choose to use the castor oil. So this is the clear castor oil. I use the castor oil because you know the benefits of castor oil, and also it's thicker, and I like that about it. And you know, the way it leaves that lasting, it makes it stay on me longer, and so I enjoy using the castor oil more when I can. So when you put the when you're building, start with the castor oil first. Put your oil, whatever oil you choose, first in your jar, and then you're going to, let me do it meanwhile I'm talking. So this is the roller part that's there. So I will first put my castor oil. So you're doing your own thing, you know, you're becoming a chemist. So you're making, like I said, your own concoction, your own invention, whatever you call it. So you put your castor oil in, and then you cover that, make sure it's covered. All right, and then you're going to put your base. Your base should be something woodsy, you know, something that's kind of like a male kind of scent, you know, manly, woodsy kind of thing, because it's so earthy, and it's so strong that it is going to help to hold it all together. So I barely have any left here, but I'm going to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's a lot, 8, because like I said, this is my pride and joy, this roll on here. So I have either you could use either like a sandalwood or cedar wood. So that's what those are. And then you want to, you're building, so that's your base, and then you want a nice middle tone. And this one is called Holy Chrism. But it's this one is coming out so fast. It's so nice. Simple Life, this is like, oh, so awesome. And here is another one, but I'm just doing one at a time. And now you're gonna have the top layer, which is lemongrass. Lemongrass is awesome. And so I try to put equal amount in all of them. That is just how I do it. I don't have like 5, 4, 3, just do equal amount. And now I'm going to close it up back with the roller, shake it up, and never make it this. You can make it and use it the same time, but the longer you have this putting down, the better it is. So you see, this is, and then I put some behind my ears, you know, put some behind. I like to put some here, and I like to put some here, and that's it. Simple Life. And you know, you rub it in, you say your prayers, you talk, you know, you give God thanks for his goodness, for the things he has done for you, you know, for making you be able to get these lovely essential oils, and the way you can take care of the body that God has given to you. Just love on yourself and give God the glory.
Oh boy.
And this now is the one that I have using. So now this one is going to put up in a dark place because I won't keep this out in the light. And this is the one that I have. Simple Life. It's so good. So isn't it, sweetie? It's so good, you know. And so
I can smell it from here.
yes, it's real. It's not a joke. You're going to love it, and you're going to take pride and joy in these things, and you're going to soon you're going to ask people, don't give you gifts, don't give you cologne or perfumes or deodorant as a gift anymore. Just give you essential oils, you know, give you some good castor oil or some olive oil, give you some good roller bottles and make your own, you know, because nothing beats making your own and see the simple things that you're putting in it. So Simple Life, I thank you. This is a doTERRA brand. I'm not here about the brand, but again, when you're making it, make sure you buy the best brand where you are. And the better brands will have less alcohol or no. I don't know if they have none, but I know this brand have hardly any alcohol. Some are full of alcohol, and you will smell them nice 1 minute, and by the time they're gone. So buy the best brand where you are whenever you're going to purchase. If you cannot decide on your favorite smell, soon as you go in the store to purchase it, try to put it on you to smell. Walk around the store, do your thing, and by the time you're ready, your mind, your body, will tell you which one it's resonating with, which one to get. And this is it for now, Simple Life. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and make it and let me know how it goes. Bye for now. God bless.